Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Canva and choosing a custom canvas size that suits your doodle. I recommend 1080 by 1080 or 16:9 for sharing. Once done, turn on the grid and rulers to keep proportions consistent and set 1/2 inch margins so nothing gets cropped. Then pick a simple brush, lower the opacity to about 80% and choose a small size between 3 and 8 pixels. This gives you control for clean, sketchy strokes. Once your initial sketch is visible, create a new layer for rough shapes and drop its opacity to around 40% so your final lines read clearly. Next, switch to the pen or draw tool to trace and refine those lines on a top layer. Make a new layer for each major element like characters or objects, so edits stay non-destructive. Then, on layers beneath the line art, add color fills using a tight 2 to 3 color palette to keep the composition unified, and now refine your doodle by adding small highlights and texture layers. Keep these at around 20 to 40% opacity so they enhance without overpowering. Once satisfied, export as a PNG with a transparent background for overlays or a high-quality JPG at 300 dpi for prints. If Canva starts lagging, make sure to rasterize overly complex vector elements or merge non-essential layers to reduce processing. This will speed up responsiveness while preserving your editable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.